The first is, I want to say he has an extreme desire for wealth. He has a love for money. The same in advanced would be, he is driven by avarice, or he is notorious for his avarice. The other synonyms that could be used in place of avarice or greed are cupidity, rapacity, he has got an itchy palm, he is too close-fisted, parsimonious, plenixia, covetousness, he is too penny-pinching, money-grubbing. The second is, I want to say, he left angrily. The advanced is, he left in a fit of pique. He left in a frenzy. The other synonyms for anger are, he is vexed, indignant, he is irked, exasperated, he is fuming, as cross as two sticks, he is apoplectic with rage, he is foaming at the mouth with rage, he is pissed off. The next is how to say, I am tired, I am exhausted, I am debilitated, I am enervated, I am worn out, I am done. I am worn to a frazzle, I am ready to drop.